In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into Webflow. If you're keen on streamlining your appointment bookings directly on your website, integrating Calendly with Webflow is a smart move. Calendly's seamless scheduling tool, combined with Webflow's powerful website building capabilities, make for an efficient setup, ensuring your visitors can easily book appointments without the need to navigate away from your site. Let's walk through the process together, and I'll ensure you know exactly how to get this feature up and running by the end of our tutorial. First off, navigate your browser to Calendly's official website. Here you'll find an overview of what Calendly offers, but since we're focusing on integration today, go ahead and click on the Login option. If you're new to Calendly, you'll need to sign up, but for those who already have an account, you can proceed to log in. One of the convenient ways to log in is by using the Continue with Google option, which simplifies the process by linking your Google account. After choosing to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. Make sure it's the one associated with the calendar you plan to manage through Calendly. Once selected, click on Continue to grant Calendly permission to access your Google Calendar. This is essential for Calendly to check your availability and avoid double bookings. Next, you'll be directed back to Calendly's dashboard. Here you can manage your event types and settings. However, for our purpose, look for the gear icon, which typically represents settings or configuration options. By clicking on this, you'll find an option labeled Add to Website. This is where the magic starts. Selecting Add to Website will present you with a few options for embedding Calendly into different platforms. For Webflow, choose Inline Embed. This option will integrate Calendly directly into your Webflow site, ensuring a seamless experience for your visitors. After selecting it, click Continue, and you'll be given a chunk of code. This code is the key to embedding Calendly into your site, so make sure to copy it. Now let's switch gears and move over to your Webflow dashboard. If you're not already there, navigate to your Webflow site editor. This is where you have the creative freedom to design and customize your site. What we want to do here is add a new element that will house the Calendly schedule. Click on the plus icon, which allows you to add new elements to your web page. In the search field, type code to locate the embed element quickly. This is where you'll paste the Calendly code you copied earlier. For those on a plan with Webflow that supports code embeds, this step is straightforward. Simply paste the Calendly embed code into the code field within the embed element. This will directly integrate your Calendly schedule into the Webflow site, visible and operational to all your visitors. Once you've pasted the code, you can rearrange or style the surrounding elements to suit your site's design, ensuring the embed fits neatly within your page layout. Upon completing these steps, you'll want to preview your work to make sure everything operates as expected. It's important for your booking system to work seamlessly, offering your site visitors a smooth scheduling experience without glitches or navigation issues. Test booking an appointment through the embedded Calendly to ensure the integration is successful and working as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded Calendly into your Webflow site, enhancing your site's functionality and providing your visitors with an easy, straightforward method to book appointments with you. Remember, the goal is to make interactions with your site as smooth and efficient as possible. And with Calendly now part of your toolkit, you're well on your way to achieving just that. Experiment with the look and feel of your embedded Calendly schedule to match your brand, and always keep an eye on user feedback to make any necessary adjustments. Integrating tools like Calendly not only saves you time, but also elevates the user experience on your site, ultimately contributing to better engagement and success of your online presence. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Here's to a more organized and productive scheduling system on your Webflow site. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on enhancing your website and broadening your digital toolkit.